I will come to you and fulfill my good promise. Plans to give you hope and the future. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in the future. Then you will call on me, come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. You will seek me and find me. When you seek me with all your heart, plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in the future. I will be found by you, declares the Lord. But not to hurt you and not to harm you, declares the Lord. Declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to